recited by each traveler. Poskim write that it is preferable that Tefillas HaDerech is recited by each individual traveling together. This is because it is asking for a mercy on behalf of oneself. However, if there are those who, for whatever reason, cannot say it themselves, then one can say it aloud, and the intention to be include the others. Okay, so as many mitzvahs and blessings, as we were explaining in our class Halachos For Women, it's proper for a person to do it by themselves. So blessing on apple. So you and your friend wants to eat apple, so let him or her let's say blessing, and you also have to say separate blessing. Don't go two people go by the same blessing. I mean, if person does not know, he's not going to say. She does not know, she's not going to say otherwise. So of course you can include them, or little kids, they forgot, whatever. They didn't want to, so you can say, and they answer amen and continue eating. But proper, every person by themselves. Same is this one. If one is traveling alone and does not know the tefillah by heart, one is permitted to say it the best of his ability, or one's ability, as long as the basic text is recited and ended with bracha. Otherwise, it should be said as best as one can, ending with bracha Shema Tefillah. So Shema Tefillah is a blessing that one of the 19 blessings when say Shemona Esrei, right? We bless Hashem who accept our prayers. So, but as we said before, it's proper to buy like a pocket-sized siddur and have it in your car, right? You don't know when you would need it. Like for example, you're driving and you got stuck. For example, and let's talk about men, right? The women, as we said, they're flexible with prayer, but men got stuck. Okay, and especially in the winter. So and he thought that he has enough time to come home or go to synagogue to pray. Now, guess what? Just 1 hour later, then that's it. You don't have time to pray. So you stop wherever you stop and pray mincha right there. But you have a siddur in your glove compartment or something. So and plus always like buy or load even free whatever you do, like siddur on your phone. If you have a smartphone, that's a must, or your tablet, whatever you have. Siddur is like $5, $10. It does not cost much.